Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you the normal face unlock and faster face unlock test. And now I'll just I'll use my stopwatch here to show you each of the unlock test. And now I'll just show you that here I get now just enable the regular face recognition, and now I just get here the faster one. So now I'll just try the normal one, and then we'll try the faster recognition. So I'll just try if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's do that. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so one more time. Reset. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 4, 5. So 10 and 7. Okay, set 10 and half. So 10 and half seconds. And now we'll just try the faster face recognition here. So I'll just turn on this option. So let's start. I'll just put my phone here, and so let's start. 3, 2, 1. First, second, third, 4, 5. So 8 and 2 seconds. So I think that the faster recognition feature really work here on our device, and we got the difference between these two methods, the 2 seconds. So I just suggest you to use the faster face recognition if you want to just unlock your device more fastly. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.